Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really quick and easy recipe for you for scrambled eggs with spinach and ricotta. I'm going to whisk up my eggs with a bit of ricotta and cream and then get them cooking. So just whisk together 2 to 3 eggs per person, a tablespoon or 2 of ricotta and a little splash of cream, and we'll just whisk that until we've got smooth and creamy scrambled egg mixture. So you have a nice smooth creamy mixture like that. And I've also washed and got ready a couple of handfuls of spinach so that when the scrambled eggs are ready for them, I will be ready to just pop them on and mix them through. So now I've got a frying pan on, I'm melting some butter, and when it's nice and hot, we'll start cooking our scrambled eggs. So I've got loads of butter melted and nice and hot in the frying pan, and I'm just going to pour my eggs in. And then it's really a matter of scrambling them until they're almost done and then adding in the spinach. It really doesn't take much time at all, and the scrambled eggs are almost there, so let's pop over the spinach. Here we go. Let's pop all the spinach over and then we'll toss it through to wilt. So just toss it through to get all the scrambled eggs infused with spinach, and then once all of the spinach is reduced and wilted, we'll move it into a plate. So there you go, it's done. Beautiful creamy scrambled eggs with ricotta and spinach too. It's such a lovely balanced breakfast that's actually low carb, keto friendly, vegetarian friendly too, and a lovely way to start the day. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give these lovely scrambled eggs a try, and check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full step-by-step instructions as well as ideas for some flavor variations too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.